He said, my family won't understand. And I can't go against my family. Three years. And all it took just one sentence to pack a life. I begged him, please don't leave. But he left me. The same way my father emotionally left me when I was 5. Life repeats its lessons until you learn. I was 5. My father, he wanted a boy. But I was born. My mother, she could not take the pregnancy because doctor warned her after the second child. But she took risk. She was scared of my father, of the society, because she felt she would fail as a woman if she cannot give birth to a boy to my father. I used to bring sleepers every evening the moment my father comes from the office. I would place where his feet would land, and maybe for a minute he would look at me and say, "Good girl." But he did not. He never. You know, a child knows when they are unwanted by the silence, by the eyes that run over them like air, and the love that never comes. I would stand here for hours looking at those buildings, headlights, staring at the sky, as if कोई आंसर लिखा हो, but there was silent. A silence louder than the city. I tried to fill the void. I did try. Dating apps, wrong man, wrong intention. 2 dates, 3 days, and then not seen, unblocked, unfollowed. Every time it's a small death. Every time the same ache, abandonment, again, again, and again. What is so unlovable about me? But you know, life is very strange. When it took you someone from your life, it sent someone who picks up all the pieces without even trying. I went to the bookstop looking for this book. I was stretching my hand, and somebody else had touched the same book at the same time. We both hold back, both awkward. Then the bookstore come and said, "Ma'am, इसकी बस एक ही कॉपी बाकी है." I looked at him. For the first time, I saw something in his eyes. Warmth, kindness, softness that I have never seen for ages. I told him, "It's okay, you please take the book." He said, "Are you sure?" I said, "Yeah, I think you need it more." He held the book, paused for some time, and said, "Can I request you one thing? Can you please have a cup of chai with me?" Chai. It's a small thing, but that one cup of chai turned into 2, then 3, then long walks, shared jokes, shared playlist, shared silence. shared Sundays, and then shared life. We did not plan it. We did not force it. We don't level it. It just happened. He gave me attention without me asking. He made me feel safe without even promising. He made me feel seen without explaining. He would cook for me, sit with me, listen to me. Yes, really listened. I never felt abandoned for the first time in my life. And he showed it how it feels like when someone chooses you every day, again and again. I thought this is forever. There was no warning. There was no goodbye. बस एक phone call and the world went silent again. The old me would have shattered, broken into dust. But this time, I did not fall apart. He left me with something very precious. A feeling, a lesson, and a memory. He taught me one thing. Love doesn't abandon. People do. Love can stay with you. Even the person cannot.